Hello everyone, if you're working in Malaysia, you need this. Knowing how to access your KWSP statement is essential. Whether for planning or withdrawal, I'll show you how to download it in just a few steps. Grab your smartphone and open the app. Log in using your secure user ID or via biometric authentication. Once logged in, you will be landed on your dashboard. Now, look at the upper section. Tap on that arrow. A menu will instantly slide up. From this menu, select the specific year. By default, it will show the current year. Hit the Download Statement button. Your statement will be saved in PDF format. Open the PDF for your financial summary. Here you can verify your monthly contributions, see your account breakdowns and total balances. This official document is accepted by employers and banks. And that's it. Downloading your statement is quick. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.